steady hollering my name. See me up in person, won't do a damn thing.
What we say? Got Ye back there, Ye.
BJ Ye.
Bagging the Ckodd today. We are on our way to Lowe's.
On our way to Lowe's, get the last fitting. By the end of the day, we sitting on the floor. Come on, Brad. You filming?
Yeah.
You live? Gonna get this last fitting. Yo, yay. Yo, yay. Right now, we looking. Yo, yay. We looking for the last 1/4-inch fitting in line for the dump valve for the bags. You feel me? DFG gang shit. We bagging the Ckodd today. We putting in the struts, the air struts, truharts, and running the lines. We did all the wiring yesterday. I'll show y'all what we did. And we finna get it popping, you know what I'm saying? DFG, King 36 in the building, Zell Gotti.
Holler at me, you need washing machine, whatever, dishwasher, all that.
Nope, so it's gonna be this one.
Yay.
What up, Vlad?
1/4-inch, blah, blah, blah. It has to have this on the end of it. We want a 1/4-inch. We need 1/4-inch to 1/4-inch.
Tell how it is, man. Tell how it go,
You know what
man.
I mean?
You got it?
Good shit, man. Niggas trying to get these cars right, man. Dirty farm, man. Sounds about right.
But it says a 1/4 right here. And it fits.
Who's next?
It's all old people that work here, and they only help old people. Come on, y'all. We're gonna go to Ace Hardware because they don't got what we need here. So we're gonna go to the hardware store. Yeah, Lowe's ain't have what we wanted, so we're gonna go see what Ace Hardware got. We can finally get started on what we gotta do. You know what I mean?
All right, we are at Ace Hardware. Hopefully they got what we're looking for in here.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so what we'll do is here. We'll put it in there and then I'll just give you
that's
the
why
thing.
you don't have the
Okay.
copper one in there.
Okay, let's go ahead and slide this down on your tubing.
Mm-hmm.
Put that on the tubing. Okay, and
Damn.
you'll have that copper. You keep that copper sleeve.
What's his name?
Gary.
Gary.
Thanks, Gary.
Oh, you're
Thanks,
very
Gary.
welcome.
You the man.
You gotta use.
This is good for 140 psi. That's one.
One. That looks good. You
Alright.
Jay.
Okay.
Well, no, I was trying to make sure how much you think that to need, so we can run it to the bottom of the car. That should be more than enough, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, that's 4 feet. So.
Gary the man.
Right.
Gary part of the squad now.
And
Actually, I got an Ace card too. All right, pretty much we got our dump fitting here, so we can release our air, and our line that's gonna go to the bottom of the car. So pretty much it'll be loud when we let go of the air. Instead of keeping it in the trunk, it'll be kind of quiet.